Hi everyone, I'm Marlena, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up SPF and DKIM for your WeFact account. So first of all, we need to go to settings, and here we have SPF and DKIM section, and on this page we need to click on set up from your own email address next to the domain. And once we click on it, WeFact provides us with a file that we need to download, where we will find the SPF and DKIM records that we need to publish in our DNS. So here the first one is the SPF include, and the second one is the DKIM record. If you already have an existing SPF record, you just need to copy this and add it into your SPF record. So let's go to our DNS and find our existing SPF record. In this case, I have already an SPF record, so I'm gonna copy it and paste it in my SPF record. Let's save it. And for DKIM, we need to create a new record, which should be in TXT type. Let's go back and copy the name of the record. And the value of the record. Let's save the record. We have already published the records. Now let's go back to our WeFact account and try to validate the record. If we have already done properly, so the record should be validated. Perfect. Now all the emails that we send from our WeFact account will be DMARC compliant with both SPF and DKIM. So I have already done a test to see if it is DMARC compliant or not, and I have done the test with our email investigation tool, and you can see that the email came fully compliant with SPF and DKIM passing. So you can follow these steps and authenticate your domain in your WeFact account. So this much for today. Thanks for